Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of ServiceNow to explore two powerful tools, GlideRecord and GlideAggregate. GlideRecord and GlideAggregate are both used to interact with the ServiceNow database, but they serve different purposes and have different functionalities. Purpose: used to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations on records. Usage: retrieve individual records or a set of records. Perform detailed operations on records such as creating, updating, or deleting. Methods: add query, query, next, insert, update, delete record, etc. Example: var gr equals new GlideRecord, incident, gr. Add query, priority, 1, gr. Query, well, gr. Next, gs. Print, gr. Number. Retrieves and prints incident numbers with priority 1. GlideAggregate. Purpose: used to perform aggregate functions on records, such as counting, summing, and grouping. Usage: retrieves summary information from records, such as counts, maximum, minimum values, sums, averages. Useful for reporting and analytics. Methods: add aggregate, group by, query, next, get aggregate, etc. Example: var ga equals new GlideAggregate, incident, ga. Add aggregate, count, ga. Group by, priority, ga. Query, while, ga. Next. gs. Print, priority, plus ga. Priority plus, count, plus ga. Get aggregate, count. Groups incidents by priority and prints the count of incidents for each priority. Key differences. Functionality: GlideRecord is used for detailed record operations, while GlideAggregate is used for summarizing and grouping data. Methods: GlideRecord focuses on CRUD operations, while GlideAggregate focuses on aggregate functions like count, sum, avg. Use cases: use GlideRecord when you need to work with individual records and perform specific operations. Use GlideAggregate when you need to generate summary statistics or reports from your data. We are incredibly grateful to have you here with us. Thank you for watching our video on ServiceNow scripting real-time scenarios and interview questions and answers.